Here's a story that carries out the dreams of our ancestors, one that they desired most. No disturbance, no wahala, only to laugh and grow in love. In a land far, far away, lived our ancestors that declared love as the foundation of what we now call Africa.
What are you looking at? This beautiful, godly made I'm impressed. What do I owe this pleasure?
Just be yourself.
This beat ain't normal.
And they call you, you know the answer. I say make I call you some more. Yeah, you leave me no choice.